This is the Suri toothbrush. They did send this over to me. I want to see what it's like. We're going to show you, is this thing actually worth it or not? What comes in the box? This is a very interesting sonic toothbrush with a UV cleaning case. It's plant-based heads, 1 month of battery life, and built-in pressure sensor. Comes in a very nice clean box. It's plant-based, gentle, effective, recyclable, powerful, refined, and reliable. Has a UVC cleaning light to kill the bacteria in a toothbrush head. I love that it comes in this travel case, so it makes it easy to travel with. And then it has a USB-C port. A lot of toothbrushes have proprietary charging, which I do not like. Use only with a cable provided to charge the UV case. Well, you know, I'd like to use my own charging case. They have a button right here that you can press to see the battery life. It says Suri right here. This is the UV light I think that's on right now. Go ahead and power that off. You pull the toothbrush out. You can see that it is plant-based just by how it's built. You unplug it. This is the inside of the toothbrush. We press go. It's now going to start vibrating. I can feel the toothbrush vibrating. And we'll take this off, slide the brush head back on. Now we can see it vibrating super quickly right there. Looks like a decent toothbrush. Oh, it's got different modes. And inside of the case, you're going to get this little wooden thing. Sleek, sonic, sustainable. We do have a link down in the description. If you click that link, it helps support the channel. So if you do plan to buy one, click that link. Get an extra year of coverage for free. It comes with this little pamphlet right here, which is pretty cool. And then inside, we have a whole bunch of their charging stuff. So you have an at-home charging station right here, which is USB-A. You can go ahead and place the toothbrush, it looks like, right on that station. It's magnetic. Fits super easily. So not super strong, but strong enough when it's horizontal on the floor. If you place it right there, boom. And then we've got a magnetic mirror mount. If you want to magnetize your toothbrush to the mirror like so, you just tape this to the mirror and then now your toothbrush can hang on the mirror. I think that's really neat. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging the device. That's amazing. And that's pretty much it. That's the Suri toothbrush. If you want something that's new, unique, super small, portable, great for travel, this is it. Suri sent this over to me to check out. I will be brushing my teeth to play with this a little bit more. Let me know what questions you have. Click the link if you do plan to buy it. My name is Shervin. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.